Welcome. Thank you for being here. My name is Alex. Please do subscribe. I post daily yoga videos. This is going to be a gentle, restorative, relaxing, feel good flow. Let's begin lying down on our backs. You may or may not want or need a block. You'll be fine either way. Let's lie down. Lay back. Palms are face up by your sides. Arrive in the present moment. I encourage you to keep your eyes open, but the gaze soft to help you to maintain presence. Shift your breath to in and out through the nose as best as you can. Reach your arms above your head, full body stretch, and draw the right knee in toward your chest. Interlace your fingers on top of the shin, lower the chin to lengthen the back of your neck, and use some arm strength to bring the knee in toward the chest. On your next exhale, draw the knee across for a twist. Do your best to keep the right shoulder down. So if you're deciding between the knee or the arm, let's go with the arm. Reach the right arm away from you, palm down, unless that irritates your shoulder. Keep your awareness on the present moment. Let's roll back onto the back. Bend the left knee. Sole of the foot is flat. Open and close the right leg a couple of times. Move the foot around. Gentle stretching for the hamstrings. And then lengthen out both legs. Scan right to left for your inhale. Exhale, draw the left knee in. Set up the same thing. Hug the knee into the chest. Try not to stick the chin straight up. Use some arm strength to feel pressure on the left hip flexor. On an exhale, guide your knee across to the right for a twist. Left arm reaches out and away from you, palm down. This inhale, this longer exhale. Roll back onto your back. Bend the right knee, foot is flat. Open and close the left leg a few times. Move the foot around. And then lengthen arms and legs away from each other. You can let the back arch a little bit. Flex the feet, reach. Exhale, drop both knees into the chest. One hand on top of each knee. Lengthen out the back of the neck. Find a little bit of movement to get comfortable, but then find a place you can hold. If a box grip is available to you, You'll hold opposite elbows. Relax your gaze and breathe. Feel the torso against the thighs. Reach your arms and legs away from each other. Bring the right heel to the right corner of your mat. Left leg stays mostly straight, lifted up and over to cross at the ankle. Lift up and to the right. You want a curve on the left side of your body. Hold the left wrist with the right hand. Relax your left shoulder down. Breathe. Feel this all the way down the left side of the body, all the way into the left hip flexor. The legs are mostly straight. The knees can be soft, especially the top one for the reach. Keep your expression and your thoughts calm. Let's reach through center and switch sides. So bring the left heel to the left corner of the mat. Pick up the right leg and cross at the ankles. Pick up your upper body and just shift it over to the left so you feel this long side body stretch down the right side of your body. Hold the right wrist with your left hand. Feel heavy on the mat. Relax the right shoulder down, even if that means bending the right elbow more than you want to. Lengthen out each breath. Release back to center. Full body stretch. Reach, flex the feet. Now point the toes and flex again. Inhale. Exhale, sit up. Fold forward over your legs. Let's keep the knees soft, so a little bit bent. Interlace your hands underneath the legs and just round forward. Try to lower the chin so you feel this in the back of your neck and in between the shoulders. Breathe. Use your hands to help you to sit up. Bring the soles of your feet to touch. Knees are apart. Your feet can be close to you, they can be far away. It's your choice. Roll the shoulders down. Inhale. And exhale, fold over the legs. Option to use a block or a pillow. Or maybe you have a big pet right there. Just place your forehead down and try to relax where you are, so you can focus on the breath and keeping a calm expression. Be in the present moment for just a little bit longer. round up. Find a comfortable seat. Sit up tall. You can be on your knees, you can sit on a block, roll the shoulders back and down. Sit up taller. Extend the right arm out, left arm reaches up and over. Just for the reach, keep the sit bones down. And lift up, switch sides, left hand down, right arm up and over. And both arms overhead. Inhale. Exhale, float the hands down to the right for a twist. Just for the exhale, sit up tall. And arms overhead, release, reach up, inhale. Exhale, hands down to the left. Right hand to the left knee, left hand is your kickstand. Release, closing breath. Reach the arms wide and overhead. Breathe in more at the top. Exhale, lower your hands down to by your sides or heart center. Close the eyes for a moment. Know that what you have right in front of your eyes, whatever you can see reflecting inward, is all that you need. You have it all right now. Thank yourself for taking time for yourself. I will see you in my next video. Namaste. Namaste.